little bigger. Chipmunk, that's exactly right.
That's a nice something. Yeah.
As big as a large tent. You like this hole?
Hey, no, you got the can. You can what?
Yeah, it's.
Hey, look, we just come in and cut it.
Yeah, come in here. What do you think, Jake? Is this a nice tent? All right, Jake, should we go get some firewood? You got a perfect place?
Piece of firewood.
Oh yeah, that's a nice dead tree right there.
Dad, you're putting so much stuff on my swales. Boy.
Can you take this one back?
Yeah.
All right. You're like a little snowshoe hare. You can float right on the snow.
Can you do it, Dad?
Box. All right. Okay.
With him, one apple. Am I going to play with him?
We got a nice bison hide here. Help make it nice and cozy. It's the homey touches that make a difference. Scoot up over here. Oh, you got tons of snow on your butt. Yeah, I got. Oh, yeah. There you go.
It's when?
There you go.
Oh, I just got
Well, Jake, you hungry? You want me